This is Mastery Check 5.09, Write and Solve Equations. So I'm trying to write an equation to represent the situation and then solve it to find my answer. So it says Anna has 5 more than 4 times as many cupcakes as Charlie. Anna has 29 cupcakes. Write and solve an equation to find out how many cupcakes Charlie has. So what I want to do here is to first look at the question, and that is how many cupcakes how many cupcakes Charlie has. So I'm going to call that number C. C is how many cupcakes Charlie has. And then I'm going to look at my key words because I have a couple of them. Anna has 5 more than, so 5 more than 4 times as many cupcakes as Charlie. So let's write that. She has 5, I know that more than means plus. More than 4 times as many cupcakes as Charlie. And we just said that C represents how many cupcakes Charlie has. So Anna has 5 more than 4 times as many cupcakes as Charlie. And then it says Anna has 29 cupcakes. So this is how many cupcakes Anna has, but we also know that that's equal to 29. And so that's my equation right there. 5 plus 4C equals 29. To find the answer, I have to solve this equation using my date-night method, where this is me, this is my date, and this is my wingman. I want to get rid of my wingman first, so I do subtract 5 from both sides. That leaves just me and my date here. 29 minus 5 is 24. To get rid of my date, I'm going to divide both sides by 4, and I'll get that C is equal to 6. If you need more help with solving two-step equations, go to the 5.07 Mastery Check, and I show it a lot more clearly there. But here we got C is equal to 6. I could check that by plugging it back in right here and seeing, does 5 plus 4 times 6 equal 29? Let's look at number 2. The Glee Club was raising money for a project. They already had $45, and they were selling song performances for $10 per song. By the end of the week, the Glee Club had $135. Okay, write and solve an equation to find out how many songs the Glee Club sold. So I'm going to highlight my question, and I'm going to give that a letter. I'll call it S for the number of songs. And then I'm going to make a table here because I think it's helpful when you have like a starting amount and something continually happening to that amount to make a table. So I'm going to put I'm going to put my change right here. So, and then my total amount. So they started off with $45, and then they added $10 for the first song, so then they had $55. Then for the second song they added another $10, so their total amount was $65. And then they added another one, third song, they added $10 more, they had $75, and so on until they finally had $135. Well, now I can see that what happened here is that I started with 45, and then I did repeated addition of adding these $10 songs. So I did multiplication, right? Because repeated addition is multiplication. So I added on this repeated addition, which was 10 times the number of songs that they sold, so 10s. Now I know that this is eventually going to continue until the total amount is $135. So that right there is my equation. Okay, I would solve this by subtracting 45 from both sides, and then I would be left with 10s is equal to 90, and I would divide both sides by 10 and get that s is equal to 9 songs. Again, if you want more help with solving two-step equations, go to Mastery Check 5.07, and it's done in more detail there.